everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to delete search history in Twitter. So for that, open the Twitter application and then get logged in into the account of yours. Now once you have been logged in, you need to tap on the search icon just beside the home. Tap that and it will direct you to the search page. On the search page, you need to tap on the search bar on the top. It will show you all the search results that you have made previously on Twitter. And for you to delete this, what you have to do is just tap on the cross icon at the right side of your screen. Tap that. This cannot be undone and you will remove all your recent searches. Tap on clear and just with that it will delete all the searches that you have made on the Twitter. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.